I have for you a full tutorial on how to use Gua Sha, specifically the RajaniMD PlasmaGLO LED Gua Sha, which is this one that I have over here. And as you can see, this Gua Sha has different components, shape, that we will be integrating in our Gua Sha routine. As you can see, it has this side that is soft, even natural wood, this side with ridges, this shorter side, you press it on, has vibration, you can hear it, and you press it again, and has red light. It has red and near infrared light, which is very important to have in a red light therapy device. It has lots of benefits. In my case, I prefer to use all the components to get the full benefits from this Gua Sha. Red light therapy helps with a lot of things like cellular regeneration, stimulating ATP, vibration, same, blood flow, oxygenation, and even stimulating bone growth, which is very important to maintain our face shape and avoid the sagging over time. I already made a tutorial before. I'm going to leave it for you over here, a video about this Gua Sha, telling you more information about the components in this device. You can watch it as well, but today I'm going to focus just on using the Gua Sha. I'm going to show you how to use the Gua Sha the correct way. We're going to cover all the areas, for example, lifting the eyebrows, lifting cheeks, jawline, neck, among others, in a very easy and simple way that you can use daily at home. I'm also going to leave you the timestamps below in the description box, just in case you would like to just watch a specific part of the tutorial. So one important thing before starting using Gua Sha is to understand that the correct way to use Gua Sha is to activate acupressure points before starting to massage with the Gua Sha. And what is that? And why? We begin by stimulating the acupoints to prepare the face for Gua Sha. Activating the acupoints helps awaken the lymphatic system before the Gua Sha massage. Why do we do it? It warms up the tissue, it increases the chi, energy, and blood flow, it prepares the fascia for deeper release, and it makes Gua Sha more effective by opening up drainage pathways. Before starting to do the Gua Sha massage, it's very important that you have a good oil to use as a slip to glide the Gua Sha over the area to be treated. In this case, I'm going to be using the RajaniMD HydroGlow Oil. This oil is amazing. For me, it's the best oil I have ever seen because it has a blend of the best oils available for your skin. Oils that can treat fine lines, wrinkles. This oil has a blend of different types of oil with a lot of benefits for the skin. I'm going to list them over here so you can see them and briefly see the benefits. I'm going to guide you step by step on how to do each routine. I'm going to show you one side of the face and then you will do the other one the same way. So let's get started. I'm going to apply the HydroGlow Oil, some drops. And if you need to add more oil, you can do that as well. We want that Gua Sha to glide very smoothly. Massage routine number 1 is the neck, and we're going to release the neck tension. Yes, because sometimes neck tension pulls your face down, also pulls your jawline over here, and that tension makes you look more like this. And we need to release the tension from this area in order to loosen this part and have a better jawline. So, and to release the neck tension, we're going to pass the Gua Sha upwards 5 to 10 times and wiggle at the top of the neck. This will help us release tension, and when you release tension, even your jawline shows better afterwards. So let's get started. 5 to 10 passes. I'm going to be using the vibration and the red light at the same time. And wiggle. 1, 2. And you're going to repeat the same on the other side. Now we're going to do the neck tightening. I divide 2 sections, half of the face, side and side, and I try to do it 3 to 5 times per area. And we're going to use the red light over here. And you're going to repeat the same process on the other half of the face. And now we're going to do the jawline tightening massage. For that, first we're going to activate the acupressure points. There are 3 important acupressure points, and they are located in this area. You will feel it in your bone. One is here. You can feel the indentation over here and back here. 1, 2, and 3. Exercise pressure on the acupressure points for around 5 seconds. You can use your guasha with the vibration to stimulate even more the acupressure points. Let's get started. So let's get started with the jawline tightening. We're going to aim to massage the 3 acupressure points that we already activated. So we're going to pass the guasha over here, point 1, point 2, and point 3. And we're going to do this movement 5 to 10 times. And at the end, wiggle to release tension and stimulate more blood flow. Let's get started. I'm using red light plus vibration. And we're going to do this in a 15-degree angle. Now we're going to continue with the cheek lift massage tutorial. And for that, we need to activate 3 acupoints. One is over here. You can feel the divot of the acupoints. Here, here, and here. And when we massage, we want to connect those 3 points. And you stimulate the acupressure points for around 5 seconds. And then you massage. And you're going to use this side of the guasha. You're going to do 5 to 10 passes and wiggle at the end. Now we're going to do the bright eye tutorial, and for that we need to activate 3 acupoints. Number 1, located over here. Number 2, over here. And number 3, over here. And you stimulate the acupressure points for around 5 seconds. So let's get started with the under eye massage. You can either use the vibration or not, it is up to you. We're going to do this, we're going to glide using mainly this tip, this point, under the eye, and you can do it 2 or 3 times or 5 times, whatever you prefer. I prefer to do it at least 5 times. I can tolerate it well. That way I'm draining even more the lymphatic area under the eyes. So let's get started. You can put your hand over here and glide. And look at the difference. And you're going to repeat the same on the other side of your face. You can activate 3 acupressure points to lift even more the eyebrows. One is here in the center, almost in the middle, a little bit to the front, and at the tail of the eyebrow. And for that, we're going to use this part of the gua sha, the big part. Pass it over the eyebrow, and at the tail we're going to go up and wiggle. Pass, up and wiggle, and we're going to do that 5 to 10 times. Let's activate the acupressure points. And let's get started. And look at the difference. Isn't that amazing? So we're going to repeat the same on the other brow. Now we're going to be doing the forehead massage tutorial. And for that, we need to activate 2 acupressure points. They are above the eyebrows, around an inch above the eyebrows, so around here. And we're going to massage those points around 5 seconds before starting to pass the gua sha. So I'm going to add a little bit of oil. Again, just in case, because I've been a while. There we go. And let's activate the acupressure points. And for that massage, we're going to be using the wide area. Use it in a 15-degree angle. You can hold your eye, the areas that you're passing, or above as you massage. Let's get started. And we're going to glide upwards 5 to 10 times. And wiggle. And we're going to repeat the same on the other half of the face. And we are done with the full face and neck gua sha tutorial. I hope that you liked it. You can come back and watch this video as many times as you want. You can do it daily as you do your gua sha massage, so you could learn and follow the step-by-step tutorial easily. I'm going to leave you all the information about the gua sha and the oil in the description box below. Click on more to easily access them. And also I have a discount code for you, and it is my name, Vivian15, for 15% off your purchase at RajaniMD. And if this video was of help, please give me a like and share this video with your family and friends so they can learn how to use gua sha the correct way as well. Thank you so much for watching, and come back to see me soon.